A river is a large natural stream of water flowing in a channel to the sea or lake or another such stream. A gulf is a deep inlet of sea almost surrounded by land with a narrow mouth.
An ocean is a very large expanse of sea. A plateau is an area of high ground.
An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. A cave is a large underground chamber, typically of not useful or in a hillside or a cliff. A canyon is a deep gorge, typically one with a river flowing through it.
A large area covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth.
A prairie is a large open area of grassland.
A mountain is a large steep hill.
A mesa is an isolated flat hill with steep sides. A plain is a flat area of land. A forest is a large area covered chiefly with trees and undergrowth. A lake is a large body of water surrounded by land. A cliff is a steep rock face at the edge of the sea. A tundra is a vast, flat, treeless Arctic region of Europe, Asia, North America, where it is frozen. A volcano is a mountain or hill, typically conical, having a crater or vent through which lava, rock, fragments, hot vapor, and gas are being or have to been erupted the Earth's crust.
A glacier is a slowly moving mass or river of ice.
A valley is a low area of land between hills or mountains with a river or stream flowing through it.
A gorge is a long, narrow, deep inlet of a sea between high cliffs. A piece of land almost surrounded by water, a projecting out into a body of water.
A
A wetland is a land area that is with water permanently or seasonally.
A lake is a large body of water surrounded by land.